everyone. I hope you all are well and doing so well. Uh, in this video, actually, I am welcoming you. Welcome to Tech Thought. Actually, I hope you all are well. In this video, I am going to talking about a new website and about a new instrument of email, and so that you can use your email for your getting in the offers, student offer, and so that you can use it. This is maximum very demanded website or site for everyone. So what is Envato and what is Envato? If you want to know that, simply you need to search here what is Envato elements. Simply click here. After that you'll this got this option. Envato elements is the service for a designer that includes graphics assist, educational resources, and business management tools. And now in this video today I'm going to show you and how to you get Envato elements as a student and in a slow price and also in a free. Let's start see how can we get it. Simply search here from Envato elements for a student. So simply after searching this one, you will got this pages. You need to go here student plan. So here it has the student plan. So it has the option. We currently accept the domain following educational email domains, that is .edu. If you have .edu, you will got this student plan. So simply after going to this options, you need to find out that how you can sign up or something like that. So now you need to go to your account. So simply after going this one, create an Envato account. And now you need to continue the email. Simply click here your name. Here is the email option. You need to sign up with your any email. Simply you need to go to again with your email that you have. It must be an email with .edu, and that means an USA country's email. So simply as usually you need to again select your password. So after then you need to simply click here create account, and then they will send you a confirmation message. So this is the information of confirmation message. So simply click here verify. So here your account, you got the account of your email with your email the details. If you want to change these options, you can change also. Okay, then cancel. So simply go here. And actually finally we got the account of our. If you want to and to factor authentication. So my dear friend, after got this page, you need to simply go there this option. There are three options: Envato Market, Envato Tools. Simply if you go going to this one option, You can actually select edit or something doing for this Envato market. Actually, yeah, there is so many options: code, video, audio, graphics, so many resources. You can use them actually. So this one is our product, and this is our profile actually. Here is the collection also. Profile, if you go to profile, you can actually edit all these things from everything. This is your, let's go. And simply you need to select the country. Actually here I am going to select actually United States. And that's the actually social profile of your that's nothing. And now I'm going to Envato product. Sorry. Yeah, here you go. And actually for any student, you can take the full free subscription of Envato. Actually we need to pay, but here is the option, the pricing. If you go to there, here is the for a person of normal person, you need to pay 60 almost $70, almost $17 per month. If you are a student, you will get the 30% save. And if you click here and learn more, here's the option of your student email. So simply you need to put the email address of you have, that's the email, and that is you need to copy it, and then you can put it here and simply verify. After verification successfully, you will got this option. So simply now so here the option verify your student email address to save 30%. So simply click here, verify, and verification successful. After there, maybe you will got an email from the Envato, still not received. You already verified. Why you don't this? Didn't receive an email. Check your email folder and try again. Actually, they must send a mail to us. So we are waiting actually for the mail from Envato. So waiting some time, you will got this option, please contribute to this email address. So simply click here, verify email address. So here's the option. We got the option of as a student we actually save 50% or 50% discount on here actually, and that's the 11 almost $12 per month if you are a student. So here's all option. You can pay by a credit card or pay by PayPal. And that's it. Maybe for any student, with any domain, you will not get everything free. That must be some you need to pay something, and that is almost 50% discount on it. This video may be helpful for you guys all, and this will be very helpful for you all. Maybe if you don't have email, I will help you for you take this Envato events as 50% with this 50% discount. Stay with us and follow us. If you don't have email, please knock us on WhatsApp and also Telegram, and that's it.